guys, so as you can see we're outside now and pushing the boxes and stuff over because today we are going to be making a chicken run and pen and hutch and all that stuff because for my chickens as well, that's why we're outside. Right now my chickens are in their other pen because it's really tiny, so I'm going to make a bigger one which is much more bigger, much more airy, and I hope they love it. So so far we have the chicken hutch built. So yeah, as you see, so far we have this run right there. Well, not run, this bit is the chicken hutch. So this is what Dad built. The house there, this man came and built that, but Dad built the bridge, the so I'm really not good at this. Dad built the ladder here and the stabilizers underneath. So yeah, we've got this bit done. Now it's just a massive run we have to build, which is going to take a long time, but it's massive. So yeah, I'll see you guys after halfway or building the run, and we'll see what happens then. So while we wait for Dad, who is currently unboxing the the wires and things to build the chicken pen in, these are my chickens and this is the current home they live in. It's small, extremely small, and barely have any room. What we're building right now is something which is much bigger that can hold more chickens as well. So these are my two little chickens I've got here. So we're getting more chickens tomorrow. Really cool ones as well, so I can't wait. Lucy! Here's my little. There's my Lucy. Here she is. She's loving this too, she's helping. Can you go? Yeah, she says yes. There you go. Yeah, you can go. Right, so here's the chicken. And so right now we have the things all lined down, ready for us to build together. We have this big hutch in there, and then we've got that all around the front. There's my dad helping as well.
So this is it's going to be 2 metres high, which is a bit taller than me. It's going to be 2 metres wide, this direction, and at the moment it's going to be 3 metres long, but we've bought an extension kit for another metre, so we're going to have to unclip all of this and just push the end out, so it'll be 4 metres, and it'll have a first section, a mid section, and then a roof.
Yep, what Dad just said. Right, so what we have here is the ground level catch of great catch, and here we have the ground level of the run. We're just fixing the ground bit up, and we have these pins that we're just fixing up at the moment. Oh, has it got there? They cling on, they like cling to each other, it's really hard to get one off. Yeah, let's see close up of what Dad's doing.
Just fixing 2 bits of wire around the hole and then clipping this big door here.
The second door onto the pen, and that's my mum yelling. So I just fixed the second door into the pen, and you see
Okay, let's go.
And you see that the second layer is done. I put my girlies in a little pen now. They're in their new pen with the food and water. Right now we're just doing the roof. And we fixed both doors on. And now Mum's helping. But yeah, now chickens are in the pen. They're adorable. And we're doing the roof area. Okay, so now we have done with the hut, and what I'm going to do is put the hay into their laying area, because this just makes it nice and comfortable for them today. Ow. That's their roosting area done. That's that. Don't need a hay bin. So that was me and my parents making the chicken hutch and a run for the chickens. So I hope you liked this video. Can you please hit the like button and subscribe? Thank you.